Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Mohammad Kabiruddin and I'm an IT infrastructure engineer with 16 years of experience in IT technologies, including Azure, Citrix, VMware, Active Directory, and cloud solutions. So today's topic is my third video, and I'm going to cover the new topic on the Azure VNET peering. So this is my diagram. So we are going to create Azure VNET peering today. So there are two mm, peerings. One is regional VNet peering and one is global VNet peering. Regional VNet peering comes under in one region in two different subnets. So as per my diagram, see region one, I have created two VNets, VNet 1 and VNet 2. So it comes in region 1 and in VNet 1 I have created 10.0.0.16 and VNet 2 20.0.0.16. And in VNet, I have created one subnet as a 10.0.1.0/24, and where I have created one VM there as a VM name WS01. And in the VNet 2, I have created a database, one more subnet that consists of T.0.1.0/24 there. And I have created a VM there, and it is a database VM, and its IP address is 20.0.1.4. So then the previous lab I have created and this public IP is, I will remove it. Once we create the VM now, can keep the public IP here. And the IP which for the VNet no, 10.0.1.4, it start for the first VM and for the second subnet also start from the first VM, the 20.0.1.4. So we will start the lab with the setup. So let's go to the portal and go to the resource code. Resource code. No? I have a resource code as RG01 here. In RG1, I'm creating the VNets now. I'm creating two VNets now, VNet 1 and VNet 2. So you can create, go to the resource group RG1 and here, as per the diagram, create one VNet 1. So VNet 1. And I'm taking the region East US. Next. Here you can configure as your bastion, but I don't want to configure with bastion, so I need a public IP for two VMs. I'll go through the next step. Now here, this is a subnet 10.0.0.0. So as per the diagram, I will go with the same subnet here, 10.0.0.16. Then under default subnet, here what I will do, WS0, VM subnet I am creating here. So VM subnet 0 and I'm creating the VM subnet 10.0.1.0 as per the diagram. I'm creating the VM subnet under the main VNet. So just let's save it. Review and create. Create. Yeah, and go to the VNets. Refresh. VNet one is created now. Go to the second one. Select the resource group. VNet 2. East US, we are region. Next. Next. Default subnet. We have to subnet. Here what I'm doing as per the diagram. Going to create on. So, first of all, we are going, sorry, as per the diagram, we are going 10, 20 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. We default subnet, yeah, subnet to 20 dot 0, 1 dot 0. Save. Next, create it. So we have created this VNet and with this subnet, VNet 1, subnet 10.0.1.0 and VNet 2, 20.0.1.0 slash 20. So create the subnet. Go through the diagram here. VNet 1, under VNet 1, one subnet we have created. The VNet 2, we have created one more subnet. So under VNet 1, under VNet subnet 1, we are going to create one VM. So we are going virtual networks, VNet 1, list space, VNet 2, list space. Go to VNet 1 with the subnets. So we can see 10.0.1.0 and this is 2 subnet. VNet 2, subnet 2, the subnets, subnet to 20.0.1.0. Now we create the VM 2 subnets. Virtual machine, create virtual machine. The source code RC1, VM0, sorry. Wait for as per the diagram. WS0, WS0, ESTS, select no infrastructure redundancy required here. Take a standard and Windows 9 2019 data center we are going to install. So select the size DC1 DS3 1 CPU exit. To protect the password. Now allowing the port RDP 3389. Next. Go next to networking. Here select your VNet 1. Your VNet 1, you have to select subnet 1. And select the public IP. Next. Thank you. Passport alternative. Review and create. Username is Azure user. You can see the basic information here, RG1. Create. So I just go to the virtual machine again to create the second machine. Virtual machine. Select the resource group. Here, shift. DB0. DB0. The caps to low infrastructure redundancy right here. Standard. Select your operating system. Put on nitrate detergent. We select the size, you type the host, allow the port, RDP, go to the networking here now. So VNet 2, select, submit, and public IP, let's create the public IP and allow them. The port is a, you can go and create. You'll see the description here, basic information. As you want, we have given the machine name DB01. So there are least yes, and security type we have taken standard. Data center operating system. Create. So you know what we have created. We have created a VNets. Under VNets, we have created a subnet. Under subnet, we have created a VM. So here our same VNet 2, we have created a subnet, and then we have created a VM. So we'll go to the VM first VM. DB01. DB01. Refresh once and DB01. DB01, what is a public IP? Just copy the public IP here. This public IP here. For this WS01. Go to W01 in the virtual machine. Copy the public IP. You can see the IP 10.0.1.4. 10.0.1.4 IP. The yeah, private IP. And this is a public. This is a private IP, and this is a public IP. And this is the private IP 10.0.1.4 here, and this is a public IP. Public IP. This is a public IP. So now what we'll do, let's go to the diagram we have created on the VM. We will do the peering between VNet 1 to VNet 2. So by default, if you are in the region, the same region within the same subnet, so default peering will be done by the Microsoft. So now we have the different subnet here. If you have the subnet between the 10.0.0./16 and you're starting with 10.0.1.0, it is in the same subnet. No need of doing peering. Microsoft will do default peering within the same subnet. But we have a different subnets here, so we have to do peering between one VNet. So we'll go to portal and go to virtual network. Here what we have to do, click to VNet 1. Go in the left hand, we have option peering. So add, so give the peering name, peer 1. peering type is virtual network, and subscription is Azure Netflix subscription. Virtual network from peer one to which you are doing, you are going to VNet 2. So here you can see remote virtual network peering setting, and now VNet 2 to access VNet 1. VNet 2 to VNet 1 it is access from virtual 2 to virtual 1. And same as it is, go here, the peering 2 is allow VNet 1 to access VNet 2. The first one, it is going to allow VNet 2 to access VNet 1. So as per the diagram, VNet 2 to VNet 1 it is going. The second pairing, VNet 2 to VNet 1. See, the first we have peer 1. It is going allow VNet 2 to access VNet 1. And the second peer 2, we are allowing VNet 1 to VNet 2. Then add. So there are, I told you before, there are two types of pairing. One is regional VNet pairing and other is global VNet pairing. So in the regional, it connects VNet within the same Azure region. And in the global VNet pairing, connects VNets across the different Azure region. So here what we have done, the regional VNet pairing we have done. Now you can go to the virtual network, VNet 1, VNet 1, pairing, fully synchronized, and go to VNet 2, pairing, fully peer 1, and the VNet 1, pairing, is VNet 2, peer 2. So now what we do, we'll log into the VMs and we'll check it out. The peering is happening now, or the peering, the pinging is happening now. Happening to one VM to one another VM. So connect the VM, download RDP, and see. Okay, fine. We're taking the RDP. We have error 3389 port. So we can take the RDP. So we are taking DB01 machine. Imagine. Go to second machine, WS01. Connect. RDP. Connect. Yes. Go to DB01. Go to one command. Type cd, close button. If I ping 10.0.1.4, it's not pinging. Why it is not pinging means you have to off the firewall, both VMs. So, right, what was first VM? So, once you off the firewall, no, then communicate with both the VMs. So, yeah, going to second VM. Now, this- type one dot, listening, type it config, off the firewall, ping 20.0.1.4. So it's replying to that VM. It is replying to DB1. So it is good to it's replying. So we have a communication between one subnet to another subnet. Means the VM is communicating from 10.0.1.4 to 20.0.1.4. From 20.0.1.4 to 10.0.1.4. So as per the diagram, it is communicating between two networks, regional, regional VNets. This is the regional VNets. In the next video, I will go with the global VNet pairing. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel and for more Azure and VMware, Citrix and cloud infrastructure companies. Thank you.